Hello and good morning students. Welcome to this video lecture series. Dear students, this session is going to be in continuation with our previous one. In our last video, we started with past perfect tense. Dear students, as you know, I had talked about two past actions in past perfect tense yesterday. In past perfect tense, we talk about two past actions. Okay? One action is complete, is over. One action was complete or over in the past, then another action took place. Alright, so past perfect tense talks about a certain point of time when another action took place in the past. Alright, so sometimes we mention it, sometimes we need not mention it. Alright, sentences like we use ट्रेन हैड लेफ्ट द स्टेशन, ट्रेन तक जा चुकी थी, निकल गई थी. व्हेन यू रीच्ड और बिफोर यू रीच, जब आप स्टेशन पहुंचे या आपके स्टेशन पहुंचने से पहले ट्रेन निकल गई थी. सो दैट इज अंडरस्टूड द ट्रेन हैड लेफ्ट द स्टेशन. द क्लास हैड स्टार्टेड, क्लास शुरू हो गई थी. व्हेन बिफोर यू रीच्ड और व्हेन यू एंटर्ड द क्लास. जब आपने क्लास एंटर की तब यू फाउंड, क्या आपने पाया कि क्लास तो पहले ही चालू हो गई थी, स्टार्ट हो गई थी. ऑलराइट, सो वी डिस्कस अबाउट दिस एक्शन. मीन्स द ट्रेन हैड लेफ्ट द स्टेशन, दैट एक्शन टुक प्लेस फर्स्ट, देन यू रीच द स्टेशन. सिमिलरली क्लास हैड स्टार्टेड, देन यू रीच देयर. सो आउट ऑफ दिस टू sentences, two actions, whichever the action took place first, that is past perfect tense, and the action that took place later on, that is past simple tense. So in past perfect tense we use had in third form of the verb, whereas in past simple tense we use second form of the verb. Alright, so past perfect tense talks about the occurring of a certain action at a certain point of time in the past when another action took place. Alright, so this is the thing we discussed and we talked about in our last video. Today we are going to talk about certain phrases which always take past perfect tense. Here I would like to remind you, okay, whatever we studied in past simple tense. Dear students, while teaching you past simple tense, I had told you that there are certain phrases like I wish, he wishes, as if, as though, it is time, it is high time, it is about time. These phrases or group of words always take the second form of the verb, that is the past simple tense. Similarly, here we are going to talk about phrases like it was time. At the place of it is time, it was time, it was high time, alright, it was about time, and as if and as though preceded by second form of the verb. Means second form of the verb के बाद अगर as if और as though आता है, so it will always take past perfect tense, that is had and third form of the verb. Similarly, it was time, it was high time, it was about time. Okay, with this phrase also we use past perfect tense, that is had plus third form of the verb. Alright students, so let's start without any delay. Past perfect tense, today we are going to talk about past perfect tense is used after I wished. See, this is already second form of the verb. It was time, second form. It was high time, second form. And then second form of the verb plus as if or as though. Whenever in the sentence there is second form of the verb followed by as if or as though, then in the next clause or sentence we will always use had plus third form of the verb. And as you know, in past perfect tense we use had plus third form of the verb. Alright, got it? So you must keep in mind these phrases or these words. I wished, he wished, they wished, we wished. Okay, it was time, it was about time, it was high time. Second form plus as if, second form plus as though. These words always take past perfect tense, that is had plus third form of the verb. Okay, So let's have a look at the examples. I wished I had known his address. What does it mean? I wish. I wish का मतलब होता है काश. काश. All right. And here you are saying I wished. यहाँ पे भी काश कह रहे हो, बट आप यहाँ पे किसी पास्ट टाइम को सोच कर काश ऐसा बोल रहे हो. I wish I had known his address. काश उस समय मुझे उसका एड्रेस पता होता, मैं उसका एड्रेस जानता. समटाइम यू से आई विश आई हैड स्टडीड सीरियसली. आई विश्ड आई हैड स्टडीड सीरियसली. आज आप ये फील कर रहे हो कि डिप्लोमा जब मैं कर रहा था तब पढ़ाई नहीं की, काश उस टाइम अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर ली होती तो मज़ा आ जाता आज. सो टुडे यू आर सेइंग आई विश्ड आई हैड स्टडीड सीरियसली. काश मैंने उस टाइम पढ़ाई अच्छी कर ली होती. Is it clear or not? Got it? So here this is just past imaginary situations. All right, or not situation, you can say that somewhere you feel with these sentences you show even your repentance, your regret that something you couldn't manage to do. All right, so see, I wished I had known his address. So this is I wished, this phrase followed by past perfect, that is had plus third form of the verb. I had known. This known is the third form of know, knew and known. Alright. So I wished I had known his address. काश मुझे उसका एड्रेस पता होता. तो आप अभी की बात नहीं कर रहे हो. You are not talking about this moment. You are indicating a certain point of time in the past. काश उस समय मुझे उसका पता होता. Got it? See next. It was time she had been in a college. ये वो टाइम था जब उसे कॉलेज में होना चाहिए था. It was time that she had been in a college. She should have been in a college. उसे कॉलेज में होना चाहिए था, but she was not in college. Is it clear? It was time she had been in a college. ये वो टाइम था जब उसे कॉलेज में होना चाहिए था. She couldn't manage to go to college when she couldn't complete her schooling. So here also we are indicating a certain point of time. 2 साल 3 साल 1 महीना 2 महीने 4 महीने 6 महीने 10 साल 2 साल 5 साल पहले की बात कर रहे हैं कि उस टाइम उसे कॉलेज में होना चाहिए था, बट वो भी नहीं किया. Is it clear? All right. So see here, it was time. It was time take past perfect tense, had and third form of the verb. This is be, second form was and were, and third form been. So she had been in a college. All right. Then he talked as if he had known everything. Now see, he talked. This is second form. Then followed by as if. I have written over here that second form of the verb plus as if or as though. So here you can see this is the second form of the verb followed by as if. So whenever in a sentence you find second form followed by as if or as though, the next clause, in the next clause you will use past perfect tense. So talked as if. So here it will take had and third form of the verb. So he talked as if he had known everything. वो ऐसी बातें करता था या उसने ऐसी बातें की, ऐसी बातें करता था कि उसे सब कुछ आता है, वो सब कुछ जानता है. Got it? Then we wished we had accepted the offer. We wish, काश हम उस ऑफर को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं. पास में 2 साल 4 साल 5 साल पहले आपके पास या आपकी क्लास के पास आपको कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली होगी, कुछ ऑफ़र मिला होगा जो ऑफ़र अच्छा था, बट यू couldn't recognize the worth of that offer, that opportunity, and you missed that. And today you are repenting and you are saying, काश we had accepted the offer. काश हम वो ऑफ़र एक्सेप्ट कर लेते. Is it clear? Got it? So this is past perfect tense is used with these phrases. I wished, it was time, it was about time, it was a high time. then second form followed by as if or as though. Then we'll talk about another situation or condition when from a point of time in the past we look backward at an event that happened earlier in the past. Again almost the same thing. हम पास के किसी मोमेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं, उसके बारे में देखते हैं और उस टाइम हम क्या करते थे हम वो बात कर रहे हैं. मीन सपोज बिफोर 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, ओके व्हाट यू वुड डू, आप क्या करते थे. यू आर टुडे जस्ट रिकॉलिंग. गॉट इट. सो सी व्हेन फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द पास्ट के सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द पास्ट, ओके विल लुक बैकवर्ड, वहाँ से हम बैकवर्ड देखते हैं उस टाइम सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ पास्ट और वहाँ से हम फ्लैशबैक में जाते हैं एट एन इवेंट दैट हैपन अर्ली इन द पास्ट. पास्ट में भी उससे पहले जो हम किया करते थे, जो करते थे उसके बारे में व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट. सी लाइक बाय 6 AM आई हैड टेकन माई बाथ. 6 बजे तक तो मैं नहा लेता था. कब की बात कर रहे हो? यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन यू वर इन स्कूल और यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हेन यू वर इन सम कंपनी, व्हेन यू वर इन सम इंडस्ट्री or at a certain point of time in the past where you maintained this particular habit that by 6 AM I had taken my bath. Suppose you had been for outing or excursion last month or last year, okay, for a month or for a week, and there you were bound to get up early in the morning and get ready by 6 o'clock. So today you are saying that by 6 AM, not today by 6 AM, by 6 AM at that time in the morning by 6 AM I had taken my bath. मैं नहा लेता था, मैं नहा चुका होता था. Is it clear or not? Okay. So by 6 AM I had taken my bath. So ये 6 AM की जो भी आप बात कर रहे हो, this is not today. You are talking about this 6 AM years before or months before, and where you maintain this habit or this routine. By 6 AM I had taken my bath. 6 बजे तक तो मैं नहा लेता था, नहा चुका होता था. Got it? Then at 5 PM all the members had left the office. 5 बजे तक, at 5 PM means 5 बजे ऑफिस के सारे मेंबर ऑफिस छोड़ चुके होते थे, छोड़ देते थे. Alright? So see here we look backward at an event that happened earlier in the past. हम यहाँ पे उस इवेंट की बात कर रहे हैं जो भूतकाल में, पास में कभी अकड़ हुआ, कभी हैपन हुआ. गॉट इट. सो सी हियर बाय एट 5 PM ऑल द मेंबर्स हैड लेफ्ट द ऑफिस. 5 बजे तक, 5 बजे सारे मेंबर्स ऑफिस छोड़ चुके होते थे या छोड़ देते थे. ऑलराइट. सो हियर यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सर्टेन इवेंट. ओके, इट्स योर flashback and the past. Alright. So see, by evening I had taught for 6 hours. By evening I had taught for 6 hours. शाम तक तो मैं 6 घंटे से पढ़ा देता था या 6 घंटे तक पढ़ा चुका होता था. So here also you are indicating, okay, certain point of time in the past. It is not your current situation or current practice or routine that every year by evening, okay, every day by evening you are teaching for 6 hours. Not at all. You are talking about certain point in time. It's your flashback. Suppose you worked in your early institutions or colleges or university where by evening, okay, you had been teaching for 6 hours. Alright. So that was the practice, that was the routine that you maintained earlier at a certain point of time, at a certain place. But right now you are not maintaining that. Alright. Means here you are purely talking about past action that took place at a certain point of time in the past. You are talking about certain routine of the past. Alright students, is it clear? I hope that you must have understood. Apart from that, past perfect tense we use in reported speech, as you know. Alright. Whenever in reported speech there is past simple tense, past simple tense is converted into past perfect tense. Alright. Direct speech or indirect speech में, as you know, एज यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड इन योर स्कूलिंग एज वेल, जब भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में हमारा पास्ट सिंपल टेंस होता है और हमारी रिपोर्टेड वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में होती हो, देन पास्ट सिंपल टेंस इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Got it? Means second form of the verb will be changed into had and third form of the verb. Similarly, अगर पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस ही रहता है हमारा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, तो पास्ट परफेक्ट ही रहेगा. देयर विल नॉट बी एनी चेंज.